Hi everyone, this is Matt. So BetterStacks is a great way to organize your bookmarks, to create a free library with all of your bookmarks that you can easily search through and never miss a website again. So the one thing that you need to do is you need to get yourself a BetterStacks extension. You can download it from right here, from Get Started. And this is for free. And once you do it, and you can also do it on your phone. So this is also available from App Store and Play Store. Then you will get that extension here, right? The moment I click on the extension, it saves the link. I can add a note. I can add this to a collection. So these are different folders here. And then on top of that, I can add a reminder, which is also really useful. So it will remind me to get back to this website later. And then if you want to open your whole library, all you need to do is just to click here in the top right corner. So this is my library with all of my bookmarks, and you can see the dates, you can see the folders on the right hand side, and obviously websites. But what is really good is that I can straight away find that some of them are from Wikipedia, from Twitter, so I get a nice overview. I can search through them. So for example, if I search for myself with my surname, there you go. Here's my LinkedIn, here's my post from Twitter. So you can even save posts as well. So it's that useful. And then, well, if I open one of these, then you have an overview of a website, the link, description, which collection, which folder it belongs to, any tags, and then you can have your notes here as well. Oh, add even more notes. And there are lots of additional options on the left-hand side as well. So let's just explore a couple of them. So first of all, there are pages here. And pages are essentially just like a notepad where you can add whatever, you can write whatever you want. You can ask AI as well. So that's super, super useful. But with AI, you need to have a ChatGPT Plus account, for example, so you can connect to it. And then you have your collections here. So these are the folders. And you have this recall dashboard here, which is actually really, really useful because imagine that you're working on a project and you have few bookmarks that are really, really important and you want to have them in front of you so they don't skip your mind essentially. You can add them to this dashboard here. So this is altogether how it works. It is for free and I would totally recommend trying it out.